This is going to be our 2023 Toyota Tundra Platinum. Super nice truck all the way around, black paint. This one is going to be fully loaded. So let me just walk you around it. Gonna have LED headlights, park sense up front, the big Toyota front grille. Under the hood, you're going to have a 3.6 liter V6 with just around 16,000 miles on it. And you know, with these Toyotas, you can go forever on them. 20-inch wheels with some really well-equipped tires. Really nice truck. Gonna be a crew cab. Also gonna have the electronic step up, which is a really nice feature to have. Out back, you're also gonna have right down here the step up into the bed. Going to have a backup camera, tow hitch back here, soft release tailgate, and a spray-in bed liner for the bed. And as you can see, electronic side step as well. Taking a look into the cabin now, ton of space back here, leather all the way around. You do have a panoramic sunroof, which is a super nice touch to have on a truck. These seats are going to be able to fold up too if you would like some more storage space. Coming to the front seat, super nice up here as well. Going to be heated seats. And you're going to have this huge Uconnect system. Going to have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a whole bunch more right in there. Going to have a really nice steering wheel, bunch of buttons on that steering wheel to control the dashboard, to make calls, everything like that. Got a ton of space in the center console as well. If you are interested in this truck, feel free, give us a call or come on in at any time to check it out for yourself.